Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellie Potts Bespoke YouTube channel. I'm just going to do a quick video on my fabric storage. It is one of the most popular questions I get. How do I store my fabric sheets? So this is my main way of storing them. So what we've got here is a drawer stack. It's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 drawers on it. On the top I usually have my order books, and it's just a metal shelf on there. This top drawer, I've got all glues, my templates, embellishments, scissors, pens, things like that. Next one down, I've got a drawer full of scraps, not just little pieces of big pieces. And then the other 8 drawers are fabrics. Now what I decided to do is order mine in colour. There's lots of different ways you can do this. You can do it in types. But I've got more colours than types, so decided to do it like this. So this top one is probably my most full drawer, and this is pinks, pinks and whites, rainbows, anything pink, glittery, any kind of fabric in that one. Next one down, this is also a full drawer, is my white, anything that is predominantly white or silver. The next one down is gold, yellow, orange, brown, that sort of colours. Then I've got reds and purples. In this one I have blues and greens. This is also a really full drawer. This one is blacks. I do have some greens in this one as well actually. This one is fur fabrics, and this very bottom one I've got a few ribbons, and then this is printed canvas, a few themed glitters. There's my iron-on transfers, that sort of thing. Anything like that goes in the bottom drawer. Now you can order these in any way you want to. Like I say, you can do it in fabric type, so you've got your glitter, your satin, your leather, that sort of thing, or in colour like I have done. Now these drawers I got for my birthday, but I do believe they came from eBay. You can get them in the white ombre to black colour. You can get a different shade of rainbow, or you can get these ones. They're really, really good, really easy to put together, very sturdy. They have wheels on the bottom. I'll just move so you can see that. Wheels on the bottom there, which means you can move them around your craft room. I currently have them in my kitchen here, and I just move them around to where I need them. Very, very versatile. You can take the tray out and use it as you need it, put it back in. Really, really good. So that is my best way of storing your fabric. I have seen a few other ways of storing fabrics. People have used boxed files, just normal folders, but I find when you have as much fabric as I have, these fabric drawers are the best way. You can also see what colours you've got the most of, the least of, what you need to stock up on. So yeah, these drawers are probably the best way to store your fabrics. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it's been informative for you. If you want to pop over to my Facebook group, it's Ellie Potts Bespoke YouTube, and I'll pop a link to that in the description. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please consider clicking subscribe, turn all the notification bells on, like this video if you can, and maybe leave a comment. Appreciate every single viewer, subscriber, liker and disliker, so thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.